Respect is rarely demanded loudly, it is built in silence. Not through force, not through words, but through quiet behavior people can feel. Usually comes from what you no longer need to explain, because the way you carry yourself teaches people how to treat you. Here are 5 silent ways that make people respect you instantly. 1. You stop explaining yourself. The less you over-explain, the more your words begin to carry weight. People respect clarity more than long emotional justifications, and when you speak with calm certainty, and that quiet certainty makes people listen more carefully. 2. You stay calm under pressure. Anyone can stay composed when things are easy, but calmness during tension changes how people see you. Because the person who controls their emotions quietly controls the room. Real power is calm, and calm is hard to ignore. 3. You stop needing approval. The moment you stop chasing validation, your presence changes. You speak differently, move differently, carry yourself differently. Because people naturally respect those who do not need constant permission to exist confidently. 4. You protect your boundaries quietly. No long speeches, no repeated warnings, no emotional debates. You simply become less available where respect is missing. Teaches people what access to you now requires. 5. You speak less, but mean more. People listen differently when you stop filling every silence, because silence creates presence. Silence is often the first thing people learn to respect. And people respect those who do not need to speak constantly to be felt. Real respect is not created by being louder, that it is created by being clear. By being calm. By knowing your worth without needing to announce it. Because respect begins where self-respect becomes visible. Follow mind secrets where silence becomes strength and awareness becomes power.